Hi. So, just recently started getting into chainsaw milling and trying to figure out how to make the rails for the top cut. And instead of using a ladder and stuff I don't have and money I don't have to get it, I use two 2x4s, put them 12 inches apart, and then cut another 2x4 and brace it down through it, and got it leveled out. That's just a chainsaw warming up right now. So, as you can see, very little is out bubble. Very, very little. And that's just the log being off kilter. That's my 365 Husky. Modified transfer port cover, so it's a 372 essentially. 36-inch bar, full house chain, and just letting it warm up, do the top cut. See how it goes. Yeah. There's the first cut. Took a little while because of that big nut right there. And my chain isn't exactly at the right angle it needs to be, but see the bubble there. Just follow it all the way down the log. Look at that. It changed right here because I took the last two screws out of the end of it here because it started to get a little thin on the top cut. As you can see, a little thinner than the rest of it because just the way the log was. So I didn't want the screws hitting the chain. And then the way I was pushing down on it, it made it turn down a little bit, but that won't really hurt it too much. I can plane that out of the next cut. I just have to make it a little thicker so that way I can plane it out. Yeah, I got a little sawdust bath. But that worked great for the first time trying that. I just gotta perfect it a little bit and get the chain angled right, and it should be a lot better.